Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur background in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing I'm going to do is to select this clip, hold Alt or Option on Mac, and drag this track one track above to duplicate it. Next, I'm going to select the duplicated track layer and select the Object Mask tool over here and select the object that I want to isolate and select the plus sign over here. And if you have any object that you also want to add, for example, her scarf here is not added and I want to add it, so I'm going to select her scarf, and if I move around now, everything looks selected and fine. Next, I'm going to come over to the Effects Control tab over here, and under the Object Mask, I'm going to select Track Selected Mask Forward and Backward, and Premiere Pro will automatically track my subject all through the entire clip, creating a perfect mask. And once completed, all you need to do is to select the object mask over here and drag it down to opacity and release it. Next, select the bottom layer over here and go over to Effects and search for Gaussian blur and apply Gaussian blur to the bottom layer over here. And as you can see, the blurriness has already been applied, but you can still go over to Effects Control over here and adjust the settings to your liking. For example, you can increase the amount of blurriness to your liking. And that's it guys on how to create the blurry background in Premiere Pro.